Number 4, saving for college or educational expenses. You decide how much money you need or want to save. 2, you have guaranteed rates of return that's all tax-free. It's not based on the stock market where your funds can go up, they can go down. You're always going to know exactly how much money you have, so it's consistent. It also gives you the advantage that once those funds are there, it does not show if your child's trying to get additional funding. What are your children's needs? What if your child decides to go to the armed forces? What if they decide to open up a business? What if they go to become a skilled tradesman and work in electrical, plumbing, or welding, or something that doesn't qualify for any of those programs? You're in control because you are the bank. When do you pay the loans back? Whenever you want, or maybe never. Maybe by the time the children are out of school, you don't have a plan for them to pay it back, or at least a demand for them to pay it off. With student loans, if your children take out $100,000 or $200,000, which isn't uncommon. I've just recently talked to somebody who both of their children both have over $100,000 in student loan debt. So when they rack up that debt, no matter what happens, they cannot file bankruptcy or get away from that debt. Some people that we've been able to work with actually had debt schedules that would be over 100-year payment programs. If you want to see how long it's going to take you to pay off your student loan debt or what that would look like, again, in the link below, there's a link for our webinar. Go through those steps and we'll put a game plan together and we'll be able to show you exactly what the difference it's going to make with your current student loan. Is that, let's say they don't use it, that's money that can still be continually earning compound interest, and you never pay interest on the growth of that money. That's tax-free funds that will either be used for your retirement if you choose it to be, or maybe passed on to the next generation. If you've received some valuable information so far, go ahead and click like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, so that way you'll be reminded and alerted every time I upload a new video. Stop right there. If you're only watching this because you're bored and you have no intentions of implementing this or taking action, then the rest of this video is definitely not for you. However, if you are someone that's interested in taking action and having somebody that has experience creating custom programs specifically to fit your needs with where you are today without utilizing any other funds other than what's in your budget currently, then click the link in the description below. There you'll have a link to my calendar where I'll be able to have a 30-minute consultation with you and gather additional information to show you how the infinite banking concept and having a family banking system can benefit you and your family. If you're a licensed real estate agent and you're looking for an agency that you can create banking programs with and want to have a mentor that you can work side by side to learn the ropes, click the link in the description below. There you'll have access to my calendar, and on my calendar you'll be able to schedule a 30-minute consultation. Just put in the notes looking for full-time or part-time work. If you don't have your insurance license, but you're still interested in seeing how you could work part-time through the comforts of your own home, sharing my video with other people, schedule a 30-minute consultation. The way it stands today, how many people do you know wish they had additional emergency funds set up so they could access them in times of emergencies? How many people do you know have student loan debt? How many people do you know have children that are either in college or just got out of college and they're looking at their own personal economy and what's it going to take to actually retire comfortably? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that way you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Thanks a lot and have a blessed day.